Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's Ola of Texas again, and today I'm gonna be teaching you all how to make African fufu. What I'm doing right here, one thing you want to do right now is first of all, boil your water, get it to that temperature while it's boiling, and once you realize it's boiling, put a little bit aside inside the cup, and that's me right there. Adding my Ola Ola. Ola Ola is an end product from meat, should I say yam. And what I'm doing right now is I just put a little bit of Ola Ola into the boiling water, and mix it up a little bit. And that's what you want to do right now. You want to mix it up. You want to mix it up consistently. You mix it and act as if you're grinding it until when you get to that part, when you get to that stage, that stage where you want it to be soft. Some people like their fufu soft. Some people like it a little bit hard. So you just mix it. You see I'm doing it right there. I'm just grinding my fufu to the pot using a stick. Mine is kind of like still soft. That is why I did add more Ola Ola to it. So at this point in time, I just added a little bit of hot water to it. The hot water I did put aside initially. That's what I'm doing right here. So I'm still grinding it. I'm still still mixing it, and you want to do that consistently. That way you're very certain and sure you are you're not eating flour. So that's when I just added my hot water to the pan to my fufu. And what I wanted, the main reason why I put the hot water aside, it's so I can use it in between to make my fufu a little bit soft. And I wanted to steam a little bit. When folks will ask me what is fufu, fufu is a traditional African dish made by boiling starchy vegetables such as cassava, yam, or plantain, and then pounding them into smooth and doughy consistency. The recipe so far, my ingredients are should I say Ola Ola, which you can always get from any African store. If you check a few of my videos, you see a few African stores around you in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, or you can just Google any African store around where you are. I'm sure Google will definitely show you a few stuff. So Ola Ola water, you can use your pot. In Africa they use a mortar or pestle, or some people use fufu mashing. So it depends on what you feel comfortable doing. So going back to our video, what we're doing right now is I'm just making my fufu steam up together, and just let it boil. And right now at this point in time, I still want to mix everything up again a little bit. This is literally how I like my fufu. Some people say some people like in Africa, some people say they like it fele. Yeah, I love my fufu fele. Yeah, don't mind me, guys. But yeah, this is how I make my fufu. I'm doing this video because I did post a short recently, and I got a couple of messages from a few of my friends saying I should show them a video, or just teach them how to make fufu. And I promised them I was gonna make this video. So at this point in time, I'm just letting this guy steam up a little bit, and letting it steam up a little bit. And once it's done steaming up, this is when you want to like serve your fufu. In between, this guy takes about 10-15 minutes. If you want a private class, you want me to teach you, I can teach you. So right now my fufu is done, and at this point in time I'm serving my fufu inside my plate. So with that guy right there, that guy looking so good, looking so good. Depending on what you feel like having your fufu with, some people like it with egusi, some people like it with vegetables, some people like it with, depends. But today I'm having mine with egusi. My egusi is, that's another lesson entirely, another video entirely. But that's egusi right there mixed with, I have shaki inside of it, I have pomo inside of it, I have beef inside of it. Some people also like to have theirs with fish, but today I just feel like having mine with more shaki and beef. And that is my end result right there. Look at it right there. Look at that guy looking so good. Before eating it, some people like to use cutlets to do it, but me, based on where I come from, I prefer using my hand. I'm gonna use my hands. So the best thing to do is, first of all, rinse your hands. That way you don't have germs in your hands. Rinse your hands with soap, and consume this guy really good. That's how I cut it. Dip your fufu inside the stew, inside your egusi, and Oh my god, look at that guy sweat right there. Thank you so much, guys, and subscribe to watch more. Thank